Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Looking to remove WooCommerce from your WordPress site. In this tutorial, we will show you how to safely delete WooCommerce from WordPress in 2024 without losing any critical data. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So in this video guys, we will show you how you could remove the WooCommerce plugin from your site. It's very simple guys, and it will not take that much from you. So first of all, there is something that you'll have to do is to go of course to your WordPress and simply visit your dashboard, log into your dashboard. After that, you will find on the left this menu, which will have the necessary informations about the dashboard, posts, plugins, and the necessary things, which will take us eventually to the plugins. Normally, if you had WordPress or WooCommerce, you will find it right here as well, so just ignore it, do not go for it. So there we go. Let's go to plugins and click on the installed plugins. Once this page is actually opened, then simply in case the WooCommerce plugin was not deactivated, then make sure to deactivate it by clicking on it and simply click on deactivate the plugin. Just by clicking right here, click on apply, and it will be deactivated. For example, let me just use it on this. As you can see, plugin deactivated. If I want to activate it again, click on here and it is activated. Now, once you have done that and the plugin is eventually removed or basically deactivated, then the next thing that you will have to do is to delete it. Now, deleting is very simple. Go right over here and click on this delete button. As you can see, are you sure you want to delete WooCommerce and its data? Click on OK, and as you will notice, it has been deleted. Now, this will cause you to delete even the data of the plugin. So in case you didn't want to remove the data, so I mean eventually if you remove the plugin itself, the store itself, which will not function. But still, you would like to sometimes have the WooCommerce back on with its original data. So what you should do is basically go and have the WooCommerce again installed. So by going right here, for me, like, do not remove it in the first place. For me, I was just gonna install it for now. There we go. So after installing, search for all-in-one migration. All-in-one, and here it is. It is downloaded and it is installed. And it is activated. So after that, click right here and click this, just log out. And as you can see, click on this, and from here, click on export. So here you'll find advanced options, and as you can see here, just remove a couple of things that you will not need from here. So normally I would keep everything beside that. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep everything, and then click right here, save, and click on, let's choose for example a file. A file means that it will be exported as a file and you can download it on your PC, but you could choose like any other service like Dropbox, Google Cloud, Mega Upload, Amazon S3, Blackblaze, OneDrive. Yeah, it's up to you to choose. And by clicking on these, for example, let me just click on file. This will take quite a time depending on the size of the files that you are going to export from your site. It can take like few minutes, it can take few hours, it can take few seconds depending on the size of your website, as I said, as I mentioned again. And once it is done, click on download localhost and it will be downloaded on your PC. So with that being said, that's how you can make like a backup to your PC. You could also leave a backup within your site by clicking right here, backups, and click on create backup. This will make a backup for your website as well. That will be saved here forever. So whenever you want it back, click here and choose to be restored or to download it on your PC, or basically have a list like that so you can read it to see what it has. For example, here we have WooCommerce, we have WooCommerce data, we have themes, etc. So we have everything here that we will need it. So once you want it back, click here, click restore, and it will be restored. Now the restore functionality is not available in the free extension is only available in the paid one. So yeah, these are the things or the steps that you have to take before deleting WooCommerce. And to not delete data, but if you're just looking to delete it, just simply go to plugins and yeah, just click on delete, deactivate it first. Make sure to, yeah, saving data is very important, guys, so save it, you will not lose anything, and then just delete it, just so you don't regret anything in the future. Save the backup and simply delete it right after that. And yeah, guys, that was completely it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe in our channel. If you do have any more questions or problems, make sure to mention them in the comment section. I will try to cover it all one by one, and make sure to mention any topic that you want us to talk about, like any domain, any topic. We'll make sure to cover it as well in the upcoming videos. So yeah, that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you a lot, and see you guys in the next video.